Within 15 days, you find that you're not in the 55 that are selected to represent India. You know, and my father had tears in his eyes when he hit that newspaper. I cut that, pasted it in my wardrobe. For 4 long years, I would get up 3 o'clock in the morning. I would roll the pitch myself. I would water the pitch myself. I would hit 125 sixes every day. My hands would bleed.
Sir, is that why you call Virat Kohli the greatest batsman that exists?
I have always said it because you see, all 3 formats, if somebody's dominated, 1 matches.
True.
A dime a dozen, right? It is Virat Kohli. There is no one else.
A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh.
दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा रोग मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगे लोग?
Is there a funny rumor that you heard and
There
is
are
very
so
funny?
many rumors. I give a toss. मुझे मतलब किसी की परवाह नहीं है. मैं किसी को जवाबदेही नहीं हूँ.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. Guest तो मेरे बड़े खास हैं, पर नॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन को सूट नहीं करेगा, तो मैंने कुछ लिखा है, ट्राई करते हैं. मतलब इनकी बातों में मस्ती है, पर्सनालिटी निराली. इनकी बातों में मस्ती है, पर्सनालिटी निराली. जब ये कहे सब मिलकर ठोको ताली.
Well done.
Now you know who my guest is. Hello sir. Thank you Navjyoti for doing this.
Thank you very much for the encouragement.
बहुत आपके सिद्धोइज्म्स या आपके कपलेट्स के आसपास भी नहीं है. थोड़ा वीक सा कोशिश था.
You're not obligated to succeed. You're obligated to try your darnest best. So you tried.
Ouch, that hurt. He's like, you're not obligated to succeed. Not bad, ना, but आपसे सीखा sir.
You passed with distinction.
How sweet. But this is very exciting क्योंकि आपने क्या नहीं किया है आपके लाइफ में. मैं सुन रही थी सुबह से आप इंटरव्यूज़ में एक बात आप बहुत क्लियर कह रहे थे कि आपको इस बार आपकी रियल पर्सनालिटी लेके आनी है, दिखानी है, एंड इट्स नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू ओनली वन एस्पेक्ट, राइट. आपकी लाइफ काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशनल है. जिनको नहीं पता है शायद आपके ज़ुबानी ये सुनने में उनको और इंस्पिरेशन मिले. Because you've been through ups and downs in your life, and we see reality shows often discussing that. You yourself have been through the highest moments and the lowest moments in your career in the beginning to today, whether it's your political career, whether it's your, अपनी निजी ज़िंदगी में भी. क्या मुझे आपके ज़ुबानी वो थोड़ी बहुत उस कहानी को दर्शकों के सामने लाना है? So can you help me with that?
See, कोई भी आदमी अगर अचीवर बनता है, वो अचीवमेंट कम्स थ्रू एडवर्सिटी. अच्छे वक्तों में कोई कुछ सीखता नहीं. सो फॉर मी कैलामिटी इज अ परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू राइज. शिल्पकार के हथौड़े के प्रहार के बिना देवता की मूर्ति भी नहीं बनती.
वाह, बिल्कुल.
पत्थर टूटा तो कंकर कंकर, सह गया तो शंकर शंकर. सो द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टू एम्ब्रेस लाइफ एज इट इज and learn from your mistakes. सबसे बड़ी बात, see adversity as an opportunity. जब adversity knocked at my door, it made me big. वो बाबा नानक की गुलेल थी, वो 3 इंच पीछे लेके गई, 300 फुट आगे लेके गई.
एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं आप?
मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. In the year 1983, the first big transformation of my life, I was dubbed Strokeless Wonder.
जी बिल्कुल.
And Rajan Bala wrote in the Indian Express that Navjot Sidhu, the Strokeless Wonder. I was even selected in the 55.
Yes, sir.
Before that, I had played the test match. Within 15 days, you find that you're not in the 55 that are selected to represent India. You know, and my father had tears in his eyes when he hit that newspaper. I cut that, pasted it in my wardrobe. For 4 long years, I would get up 3 o'clock in the morning. I would roll the pitch myself. I would water the pitch myself. I would hit 125 sixes every day. My hands would bleed, right? Yeah. I had designed special gloves which would soak the blood. Middle of the night, I was practicing in my backyard on a cemented pitch, giving chocolates to young fellows who would bowl from 15 yards, right?
Yeah.
और फिर 4 साल बाद, I got the opportunity when I was picked in the 25 for the World Cup squad, Reliance World Cup. वो दिल्ली में NIS इंस्टीट्यूट था. 100 बॉल घुमा दी मैंने, मार छक्के. Gavaskar would come and look at my bat. was, what is this, right? How do you hit them? But that was long hours of practice, right? And then the World Cup. First match, 6 sixes. Second match, 5 sixes. 11 sixes in 2 matches, right? 5 50s in a row. World record stood till last year when Virat Kohli broke it, right? That is how there is no shortcut to success. There is no instant coffee. It's always a greased pole, no ladder to success, right? It's all about blood, sweat, toil and tears. The only thing that you'll get without effort is dandruff. Got it? So therefore, the younger generation has to realize that they should not look for sympathy. The biggest room in this world is the room for improvement. They have to struggle. संघर्ष को गहना बनाना पड़ेगा, right? Don't look for sympathy. Don't play the victim. Don't point fingers. Improve yourself. You should be better than what you were yesterday. Like someone like Rahul Dravid, right?
So true.
Became a great one-day player, right? Started off 6 innings, 1 run, right? That is the kind of attitude. The distance from earth to heaven, not a matter of altitude. It's a matter of attitude. आपको अगर IGT से कनेक्ट करना है, तो IGT आपकी सृष्टि बदलता है आपकी दृष्टि को बदल के, आपकी दृष्टिकोण को बदल के, क्योंकि नजरिए का बदलना ही दुनिया का बदलना है.
Sir, is that why you call Virat Kohli the greatest batsman that exists?
I have always said it, because you see, all 3 formats, if somebody is dominated, 1 matches.
True.
A dime a dozen, right? It is Virat Kohli. There is no one else. I mean, if I look at Sunny Bhai, greatest test player. In those days, drawing matches was as good as winning.
Sure.
Yet, you won in 71 under Wadekar, and then you won a series in the West Indies without helmet, all that. Sachin, domination. Kapil Paji taught us how to win the World Cup. That, you know, we can be the best among the rest. That belief came when he held the World Cup at the Lord's balcony. But, you know, from Sachin Tendulkar onwards, there were not too many matches that you would won. You would have won overseas, right? You actually drew a lot of matches. Probably the team was not that good. Maybe the mental process, thought process was not, you know, going out there to win. But that changed with Dhoni.
True.
The gauntlet was picked with Virat Kohli.
True.
Now, Virat Kohli was the only test cricketer who won you 3 or 4 maces, held India top of the world in test cricket, which is the real cricket. That is why I have tremendous respect for the man. His attitude, you know, bringing in fast bowlers to win matches, bringing in green top pitches, accepting challenges, mental toughness, all that, you know, he's a all-in-one package. Someone who's very charismatic, someone who inspires, someone who is a leading example to the world. And that is what you want, even in IGT. जब आप IGT में देखते हो, ये जो साधारण बैकग्राउंड से उठे हुए बच्चे हैं, लाइक विराट कोहली, ये आम लोगों के अरमानों को पंख लगाते हैं. ये जब किसी को एक्रोबैटिक्स करते देखते हैं, किसी को जादू करते देखते हैं, राइट? इवन अ मदारी, right, which is a lost, dying art.
Absolutely.
Right? There are people that I've seen paint with light, right? Young kids who dance and sing so beautifully that you forget yourself actually, time ceases to exist. You have a clutterless mind, which is, it's like going to the movies and watching a movie. It's like going to the golf course where you forget your wife also. There are no thoughts that are clouding your mind, right? That is the kind of satisfaction. दुनिया में सबको कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई चिंता ज़रूर है. किसी को कर्जे की है, किसी को कोई बीमार है, किसी को फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. लेकिन जब वो शो दिखता है ना IGT, वो 1.5 घंटा मतलब वो एकदम से ख्यालों से परे हो जाता है.
सर, आपने कहा, जिसमें कहना इंट्रोडक्शन में कहा, आपने कहा कि मेरे लोगों को लगता है मैं शायरी करता हूँ, ये करता हूँ, बट मेरे में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जो लोगों ने नहीं देखी है और ये इंडियाज़ गॉट टैलेंट में देखने को मिलेगी इस बार. मुझे ये जानना है कौन से एस्पेक्ट्स आपको लगते हैं लोगों ने नहीं देखे हैं आपके. If there are misconceptions about you, what are they that you know?
Misconceptions are there about everybody.
Sure. And what do you...
Because perceptions are there,
What do you
there
think is
are
your
tags,
perception?
there are so many things. But you see, you're not accountable to the world. You are accountable to your own conscience. And a good conscience is probably the best tranquilizer that you can ever have. जब सिराने पे सर लगता है ना, और अगर आप कहोगे यार मैंने 100% कोशिश की और यही मैं कर सकता था, इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं कर सकता था, आपको नींद आएगी बढ़िया. But what happens is कि दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा रोग मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगे लोग. लोग इतने इनसिक्योर हैं, वो क्रैब मेंटालिटी है, they try to pull each other down, they try to compete. I don't compete with anyone, I compete with myself, right? वो जो नजरिए हैं वो इस शो में आएंगे, क्योंकि कपिल शर्मा शो में एक कॉमिक एलिमेंट है, where you make people laugh, right? Then commentary, it is, वो दायरा जो है सीमित है क्रिकेट तक, right? लेकिन this is about life. And this is not only about life, it is about celebrating life. कि आप जिंदगी को किस तरह से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, किस तरह एक जश्न की तरह जीते हैं, किस तरह से आप एडवर्सिटी और लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ के साथ राह की बाधा को सफलता की सीढ़ी बनाते हैं, कमज़ोरी को ताकत में तब्दील करते हैं, डिज़ास्टर इनटू ट्रायम्फ, किस तरह से आप अपने पीछे चलने वालों में विश्वास जगाते हैं. ये उदाहरण जो हैं, ये ज़िंदगी जीने का चलन जो है, राइट, इसका कोई दायरा नहीं, ये सीमलेस है. ये एक इतना बड़ा दायरा है, लाइक ऑल द रिवर्स रन इनटू द सी इज नेवर सैचुरेटेड, राइट, इट्स नेवर फुल, wasn't it? सो ये एक सीमलेस नवजोत सिद्धू की जर्नी है, जिसमें मेरे जो अनुभव हैं वो यंगर जनरेशन के साथ मैं शेयर करूंगा. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, elections are not fought for the next election. Elections are fought for the next generation. Right? When you pass on something good to the next generation, make their lives better, in fact make their thought process better, you've done your bit.
So does this 2.0 Navjot Singh Sidhu, if I can call that, does he have any regrets? And
No
can I
regrets.
call this the 2.0 version who's away from politics, who's kind of living his own life?
No regrets whatsoever in my life. Always learnings, always improvement. You know, you must be big enough to admit your mistakes,
Which you have been.
smart enough to profit from them, and actually, you know, cunning enough to rectify them. That is improvement. No, never justify your faults. We are not perfect. We will make mistakes. Even the sun has spots. No one is perfect. The moment you say perfect, you become stagnant. So it's a journey. It's a journey of unlocking the potential. It's a journey of an introvert to someone who's a believer. It's a journey of someone who dismantled a mountain of doubt with faith that tunneled through it, right?
Sure.
It's a journey where एक फेंट होने वाला प्रीफेक्ट जो स्कूल डिस्पर्स नहीं कह सकता था, ऑडिटर बन गया,
जी.
right? It's a journey of Siddhism. It's a journey of believing to achieve, right?
Yeah.
Dismantling fear of failure, right? Unlocking potentials which, you know, आपको लगता ही नहीं है कि आप में वो कुछ छुपा है. आप कस्तूरी के मृग, you are like a musk deer running around the jungle looking for the fragrance which comes through your navel. तो आत्मनिर्भर सिद्धू की कहानी है ये, कि जो किसी पे निर्भर नहीं है अब, जो भीतर की ताकत, भीतर आत्मा से संपर्क, आत्मविश्वास जगा के जीता है. आप समझते हैं
जी बिल्कुल.
कि वो एक प्रेरक प्रसंग है, कि वो सब में है, बस वो पहचान नहीं पाते. मुखौटे इतने हैं चेहरे पे कि खुद को जान नहीं पाते. खुद को जानना, to realize that you have infinite potential that you can unlock within, is the biggest blessing of the Lord Almighty.
I really regret that I don't have more time with you, so I'm just going to ask if you can give me just one-liners, because unfortunately we don't have time, and I'm going to just give you some questions and just one-liners and what you feel about it. If you're okay with it, can I go
sure,
ahead?
I'm okay
All
with
right, let's
anything.
go. A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh.
दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा रोग मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगे लोग?
Is there a funny rumor that you heard and
There
it's
are
very
so
funny?
many rumors. I give a toss. मुझे मतलब किसी की परवाह नहीं है, मैं किसी को जवाबदेही नहीं हूँ।
Okay.
और मैं ये भी मानता हूँ कि ये कमज़ोरी है जब आदमी किसी और को नीचे गिराने की कोशिश करता है। क्रिटिसिज्म टेल्स मी दैट आई एम इम्पॉर्टेंट। नो वन किक्स अ डेड डॉग।
Fair enough.
जिंदगी में पत्थर आम के पेड़ को लगेगा, नीम के पेड़ को कोई पत्थर नहीं मारता।
You've been very open about the support that you show the younger cricket team, Abhishek Sharma and others. Who do you think are truly the brightest ones and are going to take the legacy ahead?
There is not one, there is a problem of plenty. It's a sweet predicament. I mean, when the next generation is better than the previous one, you're on the right path. It just goes to show how beautifully cricket is run in this country. It just goes to show that the people who would go to England to hone their skills have turned the tide, and the whole world digresses towards India in the IPL.
Sure.
The best coaches in the world rubbing shoulders with the 7 Indians that play for the side, right? And you see the kind of, strides that the T20 team has made. They'll win the World Cup, sure enough, because I feel that it's disciplining, harnessing talent which helps it. वो फीलिंग कि आई बिलोंग टू दिस एरिना जो आईजीटी में आता है ना, जब वो आईजीटी में आके परफॉर्म करते हैं और आईजीटी में आके वो एक ऐसा मकाम हासिल करते हैं जो उन्हें तृप्त कर देता है, रिस्पेक्ट से ओतप्रोत कर देता है, देन द वॉइस दैट कम्स फ्रॉम विद इन, आई बिलोंग टू दिस एरिना. दैट belonging to the arena is the greatest sense of belief.
But you've always supported Abhishek and Surya Kumar and everybody else. I'm sure it's a very lucky day when you say.
Because I believe there are no sinners in this game of cricket. And even it's a sport. यहाँ कोई जानबूझ के गलती नहीं करता है. So when people pull others down, I don't like it. I just feel that you can make mistakes, but there are no sinners in this game. You need to encourage people. You need to actually see the positive side of life.
This is the last question. In India's Got Talent, we are exhibitioning talent of all kinds. What is the talent that the world does not know Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu has?
What I have? Well then, see, मैं अपने मुंह से कभी मियाँ मिट्ठू नहीं बनाऊँ.
Can be a fun talent, can be.
तारीफ पता क्या होती है? जो कोई दूसरा करे. निंदा भी वही होती है जो दूसरा करे. I think one must never be judgmental and should never have expectations.
Okay.
One should do his best. मतलब give his 110%, and then not bother about anything.
तो मैं तारीफ कर दी सर. I think you're extremely entertaining and you're very very wise. And I wish I had more time. We would have done a lovely, आपकी बातें सुनने बहुत मज़ा आता है हम लोगों को. But we are so excited. Like you said, यही बातें शायद IGT में हम follow करेंगे, देखेंगे, and we'll meet again.
आपको मैं एक बात कह देता हूँ कि I can believe anything provided it's incredible. 11वां IGT है, आप 100 भी कर लो, भारत का टैलेंट खत्म नहीं होगा.
So true.
क्योंकि ये इतना incredible है, ये इतना आश्चर्यचकित करने वाला है, ये आपको स्तब्ध कर देगा, ये आपको एक अलग दुनिया में ले जाएगा. वो दुनिया जो रूहानियत की दुनिया है, खुशियों का बटारा है और चिंता को दमन करने वाली दुनिया, जो एंटरटेनमेंट का बाप नहीं दादा है, वहाँ जाएंगे आप. God bless.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.